Hello, people. I'm just here to give a quick update. It's Friday, the 19th of March. I am down another 5.4 pounds as of this last week, making me at 225. And I just wanted to real quick go over what I think maybe caused me to lose another 5 pounds. A few days I did do fasting till dinner, basically, which isn't necessarily a good thing to do when you're working, but it just kind of happened. I kind of lose my appetite whenever I first go back into ketosis after my cheat day. So for 1 or 2 days when I'm first going into ketosis and it's kicking in, it's just kind of different. You lose your appetite, and I kind of lost, like, my stomach is a lot smaller. It's hard to find food that I get excited to eat, to be honest, and it just kind of makes eating boring, and I just don't think about it that much anymore. And if I do think about eating something that's not within the keto diet, I can just say I'll eat that Friday. A lot of times I'll forget about it or whatever, and if it keeps coming up, then I'll be sure to get it, like a Arctic Circle shake, or tonight we're getting Cafe Rio. Stoked about that, and then the pie tomorrow for my other cheat day. But I haven't really eaten today. I've eaten some nuts. I've had some coffee. Fasted for almost 14 hours before I even had coffee. So I feel like doing things like that is definitely making my body eat extra fat. And also, I haven't been snacking on like those Russell Stover's sugar-free candies. I was addicted to those for a minute, and I ran out, and I haven't bought more. I might buy more if I crave them, but like I said, I get cravings, and then I forget about them. I think also my mindset, my relationship with food is completely changing. I'm not getting cravings to go crazy and just eat everything, or even you can call it a binge. But sometimes I do, and because I didn't eat all day, and that will happen, but I'll just eat things within my diet, and it's really hard to eat too much when you haven't eaten all day and you're eating stuff within your diet. And I try to keep everything 1 to 5 carbs per serving, and I'll eat things like nuts or fake proteins, focusing on drinking water, and doing my yoga every day. Maybe that's something to do with it. I've done yoga for 6 days straight. Would be 9 days, but I skipped one day. Trying to get up and do yoga before work at 4 in the morning is hard most of the time, but I'm building the habit. And I also built a habit tracker on, the Google spreadsheets, and I'm really stoked about that. It took me a couple hours, but I think I have it set up now, and I really am looking forward to building some positive habits besides just diet and weight loss. I also just want to be organized with my time and get more out of every day. There's 24 hours in a day, and most of those hours I'm aimlessly trying to figure out what to do next, or impulsively doing things that are bad for me or distracting. I'm afraid to even get on video games most days off because I've wasted so many days playing video games for 10 hours. And that's fine and all. You want to schedule pastime stuff, but if you're getting lost in your distractions and you're not going towards your dreams and goals, then you're just wasting your life. Like, how often have I spent year after year doing the same thing? My life's the same. You make the same choices, you get the same results. And with making different choices with my diet, I'm also making other life-changing choices and decisions to enroll in educational courses online. And I really believe in everything I'm seeing online. There's a lot of opportunities. There's a lot of scammers too. You got to be careful and weigh your options and don't jump into anything too quickly. But there's so much information out on the internet. Anything you want to learn how to do, anything, you could do it online. Once you know your stuff, there's a lot of licenses and skills and trades. You can just get a certificate through the school and just pay for the actual test. There's just so much more we all could be doing, and I'm really working hard on myself to become the best version of myself, and I hope to inspire others. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, I really appreciate it. I'm really going to be doing YouTube a lot more just to spread positivity, knowledge, experiences. You know, let's share each other's stories together. If anyone else wants to start doing YouTubes, I'll definitely be watching anyone that comments. And if they're on a similar journey, I would love to connect with anyone that is doing keto or has any questions and wants to do keto. I'm going to have the sign off from now on. I just thought of it, and I've always said it. Accept life, create life, and don't worry, just do.
Hello, people. Just
It would be 9 days.
same. You know? I really believe in everything I'm seeing online. There's chapped lips. That's so weird. I've never had chapped lips problem. I've never had that problem. I've never had to really use chapstick.